Hi everyone, this is Work It Mama. I am here today to show you how I blow dry my hair, how I style it. This is my everyday hairstyle. I use the Dyson blow dryer to blow my hair. I got that about a month ago. This is not sponsored. I just bought it myself. I bought it from, I think, QVC, and I love it. It takes me a third of the time to blow dry my hair and to style it. I usually blow it out into this kind of shape, and then I go over it with an inch and a half, an inch actually, curling iron, and just do the ends so that it will last me longer. I can typically keep my hair this style 3 to 4 days, and I do use this Tresemme hair product before. It's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. And it's 5 benefits in one system. It's anti-frizz, perfectly detangle, silky shine, soft feel, tames flyaways, heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is great stuff. I would recommend it if you blow out your hair. And it does keep it really soft, and I like it that that's protected, because I do have to put quite a bit of heat on my hair in order to get it to style, because like I said, it's kind of like a curly, wavy-ish hair. The texture changed after I had babies. It's not quite the same. So if you want to see how I do this look using my Dyson blow dryer, then please keep watching.
Okay, so right here I am getting ready to blow dry my hair, and first I'm going to use the Tresemme spray that I mentioned earlier as a heat protectant and a detangler. I really love the stuff. It makes my hair super soft. And now I'm going to use this wide tooth brush that I have. It's just great. It doesn't pull my hair. I think I got it from Sally Beauty Supply, and you could probably find it there. And then I'm going to clip up the top portion of my hair. I do my hair in thirds rather than do it, small section by section, because it takes me too long to do that and I'm lazy. And here's the Dyson blow dryer. I really love it. It does a great job with my hair. It speeds up the process, and it's really simple to use. It just has an off and on button, and you can adjust the temperature. It's really quiet to use. I can actually use it when everybody's sleeping in the morning and nobody can hear it, especially if I have the door closed, whereas my other blow dryer that I had will, it's really, really loud. So this is really good. I liked it a lot. I really enjoyed using it. And then I'm going to just blow out my hair section by section, rather the bottom third, with this curling brush, and it heats up, so it's kind of like it just works really well with the texture of my hair. And so I'm going to brush it out section by section like this with the brush, and then I twist it to give it some curl, the shape, and then I just kind of let it cool off like that. I'll do this throughout my hair. You'll see while I'm filming that I do this with actually every piece that I blow dry, just so that I can define it a little bit, and it makes the final styling a lot easier. So I will just let the video play, and I'll put on some music, and I hope you enjoy.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine.
And over here I'm just going to go over this area one more time, because I noticed that it wasn't completely dried and it wasn't styling the way I wanted it to. So I just blow dried that section again, and then I twisted it, and I'm going to let that air dry or cool down while I do the rest of my hair.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. All the things I wanna say, and maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay, so there he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. I know I did him wrong. Now something is broken inside me. I got what I gave. I am worthy to feel this way. But I want him to know that nothing I did was to hurt him. And I'm sorry I gave him this burden. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. Yes, there he goes. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume.
With this part, this is the front part, I sometimes struggle with this, but I really just try to blow dry it away from my face as much as I can and just really take it section by section. I recently cut my hair, so these bangs are kind of new for me, and I'm still trying to figure out the best way to style them with just a blow dryer so that I don't have to go over it with the curling iron. So I usually, at the beginning, I'll just brush them all forward with the brush and blow it out to get the curls out from the root, and then go back over it with the brush and just kind of fan it out so that it will fall away from my face.
And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about.
Okay, so with the Dyson blow dryer, it took me about 12 minutes to dry all my hair, which was wet straight from the shower. Well, I had air dried it maybe for a few minutes while I put my makeup on. But, so this is what it looks like using that blow dryer. Now the heat, you saw me putting it really close to the brush, but the heat was kind of cool. It was on warm, not hot. So it really was a gentle heat. And the Dyson is supposedly much more gentle on your hair with the new technology. So it was able to dry my hair, and as you can see, I do have quite a bit of hair. And now what I usually do is go over it with the curling iron, so I'll show you how I do that. And with the curling iron, I really just try to stay on the ends, just to give them some more shape so that they'll last throughout the day. Use the Conair.
I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Through it once the curls are cooled down.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy.
And that's it. This is how I do my hair for just a regular day. This style will last me about 3 to 4 days, if you can believe it. Sometimes I have to do a touch-up with the curling iron on the ends and sometimes around my bang area, or I'll style it different for the day. Sometimes I'll put them all to the side like this, but I'd have to curl them so that they all kind of go in the same direction. So it'll be like that. Today I decided to just do it down the middle, and this will last me, like I said, it will last me quite a while. For usually on the 3rd or 4th day, I will use some dry shampoo just in the front. I'll use the Moroccan dry shampoo for dark hair, and it just kind of gives it a little more texture and some volume. And I really don't need to wash my hair every day. In fact, it's feeling better now that I only wash it 3 to 4 days. So that's how I do my hair using the Dyson blow dryer. It's great. It takes me literally a third of the time that it used to take using my old blow dryer. Like I said before, I have thick hair and it is curly, so if I don't blow it out, then it doesn't really naturally curl nicely, especially after having kids. I think something changed in my hair, so it comes out to kind of like a curly but a frizz, and I don't like it that way. If I'm gonna wear a curly, sometimes I'll just go over it with the curling iron after it's air dried to define the curls a little bit. But typically this is how I wear my hair. I'll wear it like this, just for day to day. I can wrap it up in a bun really easily, or put a clip on my bangs like this and just wear my hair back like that. I don't generally like to really slick my hair back or do things like that. I like to keep it kind of full. That way it will last me a little bit longer. So that was my hair tutorial on how I blow dry my hair using the Dyson blow dryer. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if there are other videos you would like to see,